I'm gonna do it again, Mom. It's coming home. Hey guys, it's Sarah with Thrifty Bitch. I am back at Savers. Look at me. I really need to change it up a little bit, but it's my happy place. I know I'm gonna get good stuff when I come here. So what I should be doing today is deep cleaning my apartment and prepping for hosting people tomorrow evening. Instead, I'm at Savers thrift shopping, disassociating, procrastinating, just gonna break the fourth wall. I'm filming this the weekend before Thanksgiving. I'm actually hosting people tomorrow night, and then I will also be attending Thanksgiving events next weekend. So this whole trip is kind of one, to get the thrifting out of my system, since I probably won't get to come back here for a bit with all the holiday stuff. And two, since I'm actually hosting people tomorrow, I'm looking for some really cool, you know, like serving accoutrements to kind of like level up my hostess skills. So I'm looking for anything from like serving trays, more glassware, shh, don't tell my husband, like serving tongs, things like vases. I'm really trying to do more of like cool curated gifts this year too, and I think like as I'm going to people's houses and people are hosting for like Thanksgiving and all these holiday festivities, I think it's cool to gift a cool vintage vase and then put flowers in there so that like the host, like you're not like giving them flowers they have to like deal with, like it's already coming in a vase, they get to keep the vase. But yeah, just like looking for anything to jazz up Thanksgiving. I'm also always looking for just like amazing accessories. I've been having a lot of luck with jewelry lately and like shoes, so it'd be cool if I could find like another sick pair of boots. Lastly, the other thing I'm looking for, my family has decided that we're gonna do secondhand Christmas this year, which is a very fun challenge. So I'm just trying to find anything cool that I think my family would actually realistically want. So I'm just kind of keeping my options open for things I could gift my family for Christmas, since we decided to do secondhand gifts this year. So I just want to get in there. I want to just kind of zone out, chill, do some shopping, and not think about all the deep cleaning and preparation for tomorrow that I have to do, and just enjoy the thrifting process. So anyway, let's go in there, see what we can find. I do have a couple things to drop off, so I'm gonna collect my 20% coupon and hopefully use that today. But yeah, let's just get in there. Let's get going. Okay, let's see if there are any vases worth picking up. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That would be so beautiful just to put like a little single bed in. Okay, that's definitely going in my cart. What else? Oh. This is interesting. Whoa. This is like a lemon vase that goes on the wall. How interesting. This is actually pretty cute. Handmade in Spain. Okay. Cute. I do think this is kind of pretty. This is quite substantial. This sign is hilarious. It just says work. Guys, look how adorable this set is. Hey, this is Sarah from the future, just buzzing in to let you know that Steven Spielberg, she is not. I thought I filmed an entire section just looking at napkins and apparently didn't film it. So let's just pretend like I did and the next part will make more sense. All right, carry on. Okay, the napkins were a bust, but thankfully I already have some amazing vintage napkins. So that just leaves us with clothing now. So let's go check out all the clothes and see if there's anything fun to bring home. I'm already seeing a fabulous vintage robe. Oh, make that two. Make that. Oh my. Oh my. So, I found this amazing nightgown. And I found this crazy robe. I think that's what that is. Oh my gosh. And there's a nightgown behind it. Oh my gosh. Adorable. I found this long nightgown. Let's see what else we can find. I found this robe as well. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. We found a vintage nightgown. I just popped over to the pants section, which I rarely ever have success in, but I found this silk pair of trousers. It says it's 100% silk, I believe. Yeah, it's 100% silk, made in the USA, and it appears to be my size, which is awesome. Okay, so I've noticed recently there is a huge bag charm trend, so I came to the jewelry section to see if I could kind of like DIY my own bag charm. So I just wanted to show you a couple things I found that I think could sort of be a DIY for that. The first thing I found is this really long necklace. I think I could just, you know, like string it up like with like 2 carabiners and make this like a long bag charm to go across my bag. The other thing I found is this really cute shell necklace, which I also thought would be adorable, strung across the bag. It's the same idea for all these, but the third one that I found is this really interesting, they're almost like little clay beads. Very different vibe, but like also very cool. I love the color of this one. This is just another string. I thought this could also be really cute to turn into a phone like wrist, like little chain. And then I found this chain, which I also thought could be a fun bag charm. And then probably the most unhinged of all, I found this set of dice that I thought could be fun to just string across a bag. So just giving you the idea that there's like a ton of stuff in the jewelry section, and it's a great spot to check out if you're thinking about hopping on the trend and maybe DIYing it yourself. I decided I'm gonna try this on. This is the necklace. That is so cute. I thought it was gonna be longer, but I don't hate the length. I love this stone. What do you guys think? Should I get it? Should I leave it? It's so pretty. It's quite hefty. Okay, I've reached that point in my shopping journey where my cart is at max capacity, so it's time to go try on everything that I found. Okay, so I'm gonna kick it off with accessories, and I'm starting with this amazing belt I found today. I don't know if you can really get the full detail there, but there's sort of like this canyon, I should know what this is, I've been there before, feature on it, and then it's just like a leather belt, so really fun. Okay, the next accessory is also a belt. It is a really thin vintage Ralph Lauren belt. I don't know if you can see, but it has like the RLR on this silver belt buckle, but this appears to be real leather. I didn't look, but I'm sure it is, but I think it's just great to have like a basic skinny belt in your collection, so I will probably bring this home as well. Okay, and the last accessory found that I just wanted to show is this adorable scarf. I don't know if you can tell, but there's little berries on it and leaves, but I just think this is such a cute little piece to throw on and just feel extra fall. Yeah, just adorable. It's kind of ironic I'm wearing a scarf and like literally a bra, but you know, I probably wouldn't wear it with this outfit, but you get the idea. Really cute. This is a really cute button-up shirt that I found. Now that I'm looking at it closer, it almost looks like it's a sleep shirt, but I love the colors in it and I love the cut on it. So this may come home, I don't know, but it's a really cute little just throw on shirt. It even goes with my shoes. This is a really cute 100% wool jacket. I love the color on this. I don't know if I love the style, but it's a really nice quality piece and it has real like metal hardware buttons on it, so this is a maybe, or this might be something that I might drop in my Etsy shop. I just feel like it's really high quality and somebody would love it. You guys, I threw this in my cart on a whim. I didn't think I would love it. I adore this. This is so cute on me, this poncho. The color is really good on me, and like I don't know, I'm not really like a neon pink and purple person, but this is so cute. Even with my shoes, I kind of have some plummy colored heels. Wow, this would be a cute Thanksgiving look. Okay. Wow, am I becoming a poncho girl? This is definitely handmade. I don't know if it's vintage or, I mean, there's no information on it, but I love how it's longer in the back too. This is so cute. The little bow, I actually don't hate that. I guess I can make it like tighter or looser, but that is so awesome. I had no idea I was gonna love this as much as I do. What do you guys think? I think I've got to take this home. Also, I think my mom actually watches these and she's gonna die when she sees this because I was notorious for going to thrift stores as a kid and like bringing home crazy ponchos and stuff like this. So anyway, I'm gonna do it again, Mom. It's coming home. Okay, I'm a sucker for vintage nightgown and I found this stunning red one. This is adorable. I'm definitely bringing this home. It's not my size, but I'm going to throw this in my Etsy shop because someone needs to wear this. This is so stunning. And there's like a little slit on the side. I don't know if you can see that. Ugh, you know what? This is why it's important to try things on because I thought this thing was gonna be a hit. I look like I'm part of a chamber singers ensemble. I look like I'm in choir. This is not it, but I'm just showing it because it's kind of cool, but also hideous at the same time. The color is what was really doing it for me, but the actual like style of this nightgown, not so much. Okay, this is the coat on, and it's really cute. I really like it. It looks very modern. It's kind of giving the row. It's a little big on me, but I don't hate it. But also the inside of this is spectacular. Can you see this pattern? It's so weird. It doesn't, I mean like the outside of the coat is very like austere, not a lot going on. And then it has this crazy pink paisley pattern on the inside, which I actually kind of love the juxtaposition there, but wouldn't expect that to be inside. But yeah, I don't know. I might bring this home. This is a really cute coat and I don't have one like this. Or I might sell this in my Etsy shop. I don't know. I'm slowly running out of room, guys. My closet every day is getting fuller and fuller. It is beyond max capacity, so I don't know. But it's pretty spectacular. I found this really cool dress. It's Laundry by Design is the brand on it. It's very sparkly, very sequiny. I thought this could be kind of fun for holiday season. I don't love that it's not, I mean, it's definitely like a polyester type blend, but it still seems like overall a pretty well constructed dress. I think it's vintage, and I do love the shape of it and all the sequin moments happening on it. So this is a maybe, so it's gonna go in my maybe pile for now, but either way, I just wanted to show it because it's absolutely fabulous. I want to love this dress I found. It checks a lot of the boxes for me in the sense that it's vintage, it's a natural fiber, like it's 100% cotton, it has shoulder pads, but yeah, the actual just shape of it just isn't really doing anything for me. I feel like if it had a belt, that would be a lot cuter, but yeah, I don't know, just not obsessed with it. Okay, this is the last thing in my whole try-on haul, which is this interesting dress. It's a size medium, so just a little bit big on me, but it's really cool. I don't know, it kind of looks like it's been watercolored almost. It's definitely from the 90s. I don't actually mind it that much over jeans. I just think like wearing it over my baggy jeans is sort of like a lot going on, but I don't know, I might bring this home too. This one is one of my favorite things I've tried on today for sure. I love little poppies on it. You guys, I was just putting all my skirts away and I found this piece. This is definitely vintage, probably handmade. Let me show you the back of it. That's the best part. There's this crazy bow on it. But yeah, there's no tag on it. So I'm guessing somebody made this in the 70s, but this is awesome and definitely coming home with me. So let's go in the cart. I love checking out the book section at Savers, and I found two pretty phenomenal books just now. One is called Scribinski. I'm assuming this is some artist that did something with primarily nudes, but the whole book is just full of fabulous people, many of them unclothed. Here's some of Stravinsky's work. Oh, that's fabulous. Yes, yes. Like, this coffee table book is so fab. Oh my god, Audrey Hepburn. Okay, so there's like non-nude. Oh, there we go. There we go. There are some non-nude people in here, but many are nude. Okay, this is absolutely coming home with me. So I've got Scribinski, this book, coming home. And I loved Toulouse-Lautrec. I think I'm saying that right. I love his art, so I might bring this home. It's pretty fabulous. Potentially gift that. These also make great gifts too. If you're looking for like very thoughtful gifts, like checking out the book section and finding something that is interesting to the person you're gifting for can always be really fun. This is the worst section of the store. This is terrifying. Why are there so many dolls? Oh my god. Sorry, girl. Okay, so quickly just wanted to show you guys what I actually ended up grabbing. So I grabbed this serving tray, which was kind of expensive, but I love the one I have, and the butterflies are adorable. I grabbed this crazy book of Scribinski. I grabbed the silk pants, the poncho, the 70s skirt that I found at the very end after I was putting all my stuff away. And then I did end up going with this necklace. I thought this was really beautiful. A little bit on the pricey side, but because of that, I left a lot of other things. But so yeah, so that's what I'm gonna bring home. Okay, I'm walking to my car. Shopping is my cardio. But today was a really good thrifting day. I feel like I got a lot of good stuff. I didn't find exactly what I was looking for, but the things I found today were really unique pieces that I definitely don't have in my wardrobe or in my household good items. So I think today was overall a really successful day. Okay, I'm back in my car. If you can believe it, I was in there for about 3 hours thrifting, so that was quite a trip. But like I said, I found a bunch of really great things. I'm super excited about how today turned out. I'm dreading going home and cleaning my shower and doing a deep clean in my apartment. So anyway, thanks for joining me on this day while I was avoiding my obligations. And I will try to like take some pictures and videos of the actual event I'm hosting and show you like some things I incorporated that I thrifted that I'm using as part of like my hosting. If you are using like thrifted things in all your holiday hosting, I'd love to see. You should like tag me on Instagram. I'm ThriftyBitch21. On that note, I've got a rotisserie chicken at home calling my name, so I gotta go. So hope you're having a great Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I guess go ahead and give it a like. If you want to see more, because there is some more cool holiday content planned, you can go ahead and subscribe. And I hope you guys keep it cool, keep it thrifty, keep it bitchy. Bye guys. Okay, I'm about to host everyone, but I just wanted to show some of my thrifted finds that I'm using in my Thanksgiving hosting. So I have got my water pitcher, which is not full of water yet, but I will be using that to serve water. I've got this, I thrifted this a long time ago, but this vase to hold my flowers. I thrifted these candlestick holders. What else in here is thrifted? My friend got me these from Etsy for my wedding registry. A long time ago, I thrifted this beautiful piece of glassware. Yeah, these are all of my serving accoutrements I've got going on. And then a long time ago, I didn't find a vase the last time I went to Savers, but a long time ago, I found this really beautiful pottery vase that I'm using as a thank you vase. And then I thrifted this beaker that I'm using as a vase. I thrifted this piece, which is probably supposed to be outside, but I keep it inside and I put candles inside of it. And then this is a vase I also thrifted that I threw some eucalyptus in. I recently thrifted this coffee table book that's just amongst all my other coffee table items. And then other thing I found is this really beautiful vintage plate that I have cookies on. I thrifted this vase as well. This is a picture frame that I thrifted that now has my wedding save the date in it, which is super cute. And yeah, that's pretty much most of the thrifted items that I'm using for serving. And then these are actually new plates. I forget the brand, but I'll put a link to it because I forget what it's called, but like I absolutely love these. They're hand painted. So I'll show you what I'm cooking. I'm making a fennel rigatoni sausage pasta. I have yet to boil the noodles, but the sauce is made. I made a bunch of my world famous Brussels sprouts, and I have some bread warming in the oven. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys got some inspiration for your future holiday events, and see you soon. Shopping is my cardio. I have rotisserie chicken at home calling my name.